when I first got in here, he found that I grind my teeth at night, so I had some problems with that whole process, and if you don't fix that later on in life, it gets worse. So he fitted me with a mouth guard, and that took a couple of appointments, but that's been very helpful to me to limit the progression of any problems by grinding your teeth. And then from that first construction that they do, they really create the mouth guard. So then I've come back, and then they refit you for that. So it takes a little time. My teeth feel good. I mean, I feel fine. I really don't have any pain or anything that's resulted from that. The doctor, as well as everybody else that works in here, is just very first-class professionals, and they treat you real well.